What's happening, guys? Jared Bronstein here, and in today's video we're going to be telling you guys about a simple mistake this Instagram influencer made that led to her being exposed. Make sure you're subscribed to this incredible channel, and as always I encourage you to drop us some comments below for a chance to get a shout out in our next video. So Tupi Saravia is an Instagram influencer with just under 300,000 followers at the time of this recording. Her page claims that she's a travel blogger, and one scroll through her feed and you can see she is in fact exactly that. However, if you look at the sky in a lot of the photos she's posted over time, you may notice something. A lot of the clouds look the same. Interesting. Now, upon doing my research, I came to terms that this is only possible because of one of two things. Either A, she brings a bunch of different outfits to her photo shoots, changes insanely quickly, and nails each photo the first time, which is why the clouds have barely moved from picture to picture, and look identical. Or B, she photoshops her photos, more specifically the clouds. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever done a photo shoot, but it's nearly impossible to get a good picture in one try. At least that's the case when you look like me. But maybe she is a one-pick wonder because she is quite photogenic. Hey girl. No, I'm kidding. Obviously she photoshops the clouds, but I'm still trying to shoot my shot here, so what's up, girl? Twitter user @Santalishi was the first one to point out the similarities of the clouds in a handful of Tupi's photos. The observation then went viral when Twitter user Matt Navera tweeted out a thread further exploring the initial observation. But, like, I don't know, I mean, it's not really a secret that majority of influencers edit their photos, like, we know this. Even some of the world's most famous celebrities have been caught doing it, so I don't think we should necessarily drag someone for doing what really shouldn't come as a surprise to many. Like, this shouldn't shock anybody, really. I'm gonna start doing it, like, we gotta look good somehow. However, Tupi isn't backing down and claims she's always been open with her followers that her content is edited. She even has a story highlight on her page that shows her edits of friends or followers, and ends with a photo that has "everything's ready for tomorrow's workshop" written in Spanish. So clearly she was promoting a photo editing workshop on her page. I think it's safe to say a good majority of her followers knew her content was and is edited. She even went as far as jumping in the comments of her photos and letting people know the name of the app she uses, called QuickShot. Just gotta make a quick note of that. In her most recent post, she commented, I quote, "It's an app called QuickShot that I've always been open about with my followers. Actually, there's a highlighted story on my feed where you can see how I edit my followers' pics changing the sky. No big deal, I use it for better composition in my pictures when the actual pic has a bird or overexposed sky. Can't believe how far my clouds went. If you need some, I can do a giveaway." End quote. So obviously, she's finding the fun in it, she's laughing, she's not taking it that seriously. And of course, the thread led to various reactions on Twitter. Some made light of it and made jokes, like Josh Belsman, who wrote, "She's able to influence consumers and weather patterns." I see what you did there, Josh. And Agustin Sirat, I'm really sorry if I said your name wrong, buddy, who wrote, "It's actually the Clouds IG account," which literally made me and Johnny laugh out loud. Fully serious, we sit beside each other, we were both laughing, it was funny. But others weren't so happy when they found out this influencer edits her content. Ricardo Bernardo wrote, "Why we end here on social media? Faking all the photos? I can point other users doing this. As a photographer, I can't stand this." And Twitter user @HellBenderLow wrote, "To be honest, I find influencer culture to be very unsettling, and this is another prime example as to why. But I'm also confused as to why the sky had to be doctored, seeing as the lighting in her photos suggests the weather is at least somewhat pleasant." I said it like that because she asked it as like a question. I hope it made sense. Either way, I don't think Tupi getting exposed will affect her following or brands that want to work with her. If anything, it's just more exposure which will help grow her because people want to follow travelers. And she's a good looking girl. Guys are gonna follow her, I'm not gonna lie. Like, who we kidding here? I have tons of friends that just follow good looking girls on Instagram. I don't know why. I mean, I know why. Anyways guys, at the end of the day, any ad you see on a billboard, the subway, magazines, they're all edited and photoshopped. So why should online content be any different? It's just my personal opinion, but of course, as always, I'd love to hear yours. So please do let me know your thoughts in the comment section right down below. And let's read some comments now. I feel like we need like a comment reading theme song. Just me. I don't know, like when we read comments, like it's comment time, it's comment time. I don't know, Anyways guys, in the video, woman practicing extreme yoga falls 80 feet off balcony and survives. Anthony Armento said, "Jared is a full-time host again, right?" You bet, Anthony. Shout out, bro. I remember you. Shout out you. You've been here for a long time. Appreciate it. Eternal Flame Ukiya or Uchika, I'm gonna say it's Ukiya, said, "This dude don't believe in God? Then how the heck were you born?" Noe May said, "A ghost would never kill you because you'd become one too, and that would be very awkward." Yeah, I never thought about that. Like in all these horror movies when the ghost like wants to kill the person, like what if they did kill them and then the person was just like a ghost too and was like, "Yo, you're a dick for killing me." That's a great point. Babel said, I wonder why you hadn't had a paranormal encounter yet. Oh, I know, your haunting smile. You are practically one of them. No problem, I'm never gonna smile ever again on this channel. And you know who to blame for it. Anyways guys, that does it for this video. I've been your host, Jared Bronstein. As you can see, I'm not smiling. And I don't know how this video is gonna turn out now because I'm not happy. But be sure to like and follow us all on Instagram and subscribe to the channel so you guys never miss a video. And if you guys want to do a whole video with this tone, this angry demeanor, let me know. We'll see you in the next video. Have yourselves a great day. Bye.